Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing amazing. So, today I have a beautiful problem from International Math Olympiad. So, I guess it's in the year 2019. So, this problem is beautiful because if you are familiar with the International Math Olympiad, every year about more than 100 countries they attend to the contest, and there are, I guess, 6 problems in 2 days actually, and each problem is, I guess, approximately 1 hour. The student should solve the problem. So this is very good because we get a lot of confidence to solve this problem, because this is exactly the ultimate functional equation problem in 2019, which I guess at that year China got the first rank, I guess. So let's do it and see how to solve the problem. The problem says, by the way, before I solve the problem, please share this video and subscribe if you haven't done that, my channel, okay? And if you like it, make sure to like my video, please. Okay, let's do it. So the problem says the function f of x is defined in the integer domain and of course range z to z, okay? So that means a, b, everything x. If everything is here means in the integer domain. So now we are gonna, based on this relation, f of 2a plus 2 times f of b is equal to f of a plus b. What is gonna be the value of f of x? Okay. So now, previously we solved some of the example similar to this one. You are familiar. We can put the basic numbers, assign some basic number. For example, I'm gonna evaluate what's gonna happen if I put a is equal to 0. We will have f of 0 plus 2 times f of b is gonna be f of b, because a is 0, a plus b is b. So, and note that everything is gonna be in the integer domain. So how about at a is equal to 1? So that will be f of 2 plus 2 times f of b is gonna be f of b plus 1, right? Okay, great. So now if you take a closer look at these two relations, if instead of f of b plus 1 here, okay, so these two compare these two. So if b, instead of b I put b plus 1 in the top equation here, okay, so then it's going to be f of b plus 1 right hand side, and then here is going to be f0 plus 2 times f of b plus 1, and then you put the left side of top equation and left side to the bottom equation, because we put b plus 1 in the top equation. Okay, now let's do this. So it's gonna be, so here the bottom equation is f of 2 plus 2 times f of b, okay? And the top equation, the left side, I mean, here, when you put b plus 1 instead of b, that will be f of 0 plus 2 times f of b plus 1. Great. This is amazing relation. Why? Because we come up with, if little bit, let me organize first. So I bring f of b and f of b plus 1 to one side, and f of 2 and f of 0 to the other side. So that's gonna be f of 2 minus f of 0 is gonna be f of b plus 1 minus f of b, okay, if I divide this guy by 2 as well, okay, now we come up with the perfect relation. Okay, f of 2 minus f of 0 is f of b plus 1 minus f of b. Okay, the left hand side is constant, right? The left hand side is constant, and the right hand side is the difference of consecutive terms. Okay, difference of consecutive terms. Doesn't matter, instead of b you can assign it x, right? That should be no problem, right? That's fine. For example, f of x plus 1 minus f of x is something constant, which is f of 2 minus f of 0 divided by 2. That's same thing, right? So what is gonna be this relation? This is f of x here based on these consecutive terms, and note that x is integer. Okay, so the difference between two consecutive terms in the integer domain is gonna be something constant. Okay, so if I visualize that, let's say this is x, this is f of x, both x and f of x are integer. For example, at point, one point is here, the other point is here, and the other point is here. So there is a constant difference between previous x, f of x, and next f of x. Okay, these are all constant. What is going to be this relation? This relation is going to be linear equation. Make sense? Perfect. So I can write it down. F of x is arithmetic function and in this form. And based on this explanation, I can write it down. F of x is going to be in this form, mx plus n. Okay, linear function. Great. Up until here, we solve, I can say 90% of the problem. The last part is I'm going to substitute mx plus n, this general form, into the original equation here. F of 2a plus 2 times f of b is equal to f of a plus b. Okay, now let's do that. So if I put that, that's gonna be, instead of x, you put 2a, right? It's gonna be m times 2a plus n plus 2 times f of b is mb plus n. Right hand side, f of a plus b is gonna be f of m a plus b plus n. Okay, now if instead of x here, if you put m times a plus b plus n, then I write it down the left side again. Okay, or no, just to save the time. So this one is gonna be equal to m squared a plus b plus mn plus n. Great. Now, if you expand the left side and put the, I can write it down here, match the like term. What is gonna be match the like terms? For example, the terms, for example, has, like here, m and n. So for example, a and b, something like that. So left hand side, we have 2m, which is a coefficient for a, is equal to right hand side. What is the coefficient of a here? Is m squared. These two coefficients must be matched. And the other one, 3n, is gonna be mn plus n, which is a constant. So mn plus n, and 3n is 2 times n plus the other n here is 3n. From this one, you can find m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 2. If m is equal to 0 and put it in the second one, then what happens? Then n is equal to 0. Okay? And if you put m is equal to 2, then n is gonna be any integer number, right? Because we come up with 3n is equal to 3n. Okay? So now we have two solutions. We have to evaluate both of that. Okay? Oh, sorry. Okay? So I put this one, f of x is, if you put m is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, then f of x is mx plus n is gonna be 0. Okay? And the other solution is, this is one solution based on this. And the other solution based on this, f of x will be 2x plus n. M is 2, n is any integer n. Okay? So then you should verify both of the solution. Okay? How? You just put the values and then you come up with is it true or not, okay, in the original equation. So if you do that, you can see that both of them are, this is a special case or a special solution, and this is a general solution. So both of them, if you verify, means put the in the equation, okay, either in this equation, which is simplified based on linear f of x, or in the original equation, then both of them is going to be the solution. So the solution is going to be f of x equals to 0 and f of x equals to 2x plus n, which n is the integer, any integer number. Okay, wonderful. Hope you guys like it. See, it's not gonna be difficult. Even we can solve the highest level of International Math Olympiad. Great. Please subscribe the channel and give me a feedback. Thank you. Bye.